Hello, I'm Debbie Collins, your instructor for XML, and we're using a new course management system. We're no longer in WebCT Blackboard, so I've created a little video to overview how to get around the new course management system and how the course is laid out. So this is the course homepage, and I've added some links for you. Most of the stuff you need to do is you can get to from this course homepage. So, of course, when you first start the class, you want to view the syllabus. And to give you an overview of what we're going to do, we're going to have 6 learning modules. I will probably introduce a learning module every week. We will begin June 4th and end July 17th, actually. So each of the learning modules will have a discussion. The very first discussion is about me. And you're going to do, you probably may have done this for me before, but this about me you will do in XML. And we will also have assignments, and we will also have quizzes and a final. The final will have to be taken in the ILC testing room, so notify me if you're unable to come to the Quad City campus, and we'll make arrangements to have the final taken elsewhere. Okay, so as you see, we have got a menu very similar to what we had in WebCT, and click on Home, and to take you back to the course homepage. Okay, and I do notice it's a little slow to load, so I hope that's not going to be too much of a problem. And then most of the other items you want to get to, you can get to through Learning Module. Okay, so here's our Learning Module. So far, you can only access the one learning module, but I'll be posting a new one shortly. And in this learning module, you will be able to navigate through the readings. Okay, so I suggest going through every single reading. I've written some HTML pages for you covering the topics we'll cover in this learning module. What is XML, XML vocabularies, rules and tools, has a couple of videos in it. To show you how to use Dreamweaver or even Visual Studio, has a tool to create XML. You get to choose what tool you want to use. In the end, XML is text like HTML is. So whatever tool you use the one that helps you develop quickly and validate that it's well, and check for well-formedness. Okay, then we have discussions. Now this first learning module, we will have 2 discussions. One is about me in XML. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so I don't have that available, so we can't look at it. Let me go back. Okay. All right. So there's an about me discussion, and there are assignments. The first learning module will have 2 assignments, and the first learning module will have an extra credit quiz. I plan on having then 6 learning modules, and you will see that the other learning modules, I just have not completed everything to it, so I don't want to make it available. I've locked it, as you see, until I've got everything polished and ready to go. So there are 6 total. I expect to have a quiz after learning modules 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So 4 quizzes total, and then the final. I will drop the lowest assignment and the lowest quiz. Otherwise, I've also posted on the course homepage 911 discussion board. Okay, so if you have any problems, click on the 911 discussion board and post to that discussion board any questions you have. If you see a posting from another student and want to reply, that would be great. Help each other out there. Well, I hope you enjoy the course. I just got done taking a week-long course on Android development, and XML was a very big part of developing on the Androids. So the technology you're going to learn is here to stay for quite a while. See you in the class.